Now, dear students, till now we have designed our footprint of single pole single throw switch in our footprint editor, as well as we have also drawn symbol for our switch in the symbol editor. Now it's time to use the symbol as well as the footprint. So let me just close this and close this footprint editor as well. We have been working on this project with the name get started. So let's just open the schematic. In the schematic, let's add a switch between the battery and the load. So let's just click on this wire and delete it, and let's add symbol. So over here we have this one symbol. So let's just double click it, place it over here, and let's add wire. They're going to add wire tool, and let's connect this. Let's connect towards this. Now you can see we have used our symbol which we have designed in symbol editor in our schematic. So let's click on this and assign footprint to this, and let's assign the footprint we have just designed. So this was the footprint we have just designed in the footprint editor. Let's just double click it and hit OK, and let's check for design rule errors, electrical rule checker over here. Let's perform this and see if we have any errors or not. Run ERC, and it has one warning that says power hidden pin VCC power input line. So let's just click over here, hit control copy and control V, and place it over here. Hopefully this will solve our error. Let's again run the perform electrical rule checker, delete our marker, run ERC. Now you can see that we have no errors and warnings. Run again, no errors and warnings. So let's just close this and let's just save our work. Now it's time to switch our attention towards the PCB side. Let's minimize it and open the PCB in PCB editor. Let's just double click it and it will load the PCB editor. So this is our PCB, but we see that we have no place, or we don't see the switch being added over here. So now we have discussed in the previous section that we have to manually update our PCB. For updating our PCB, you have to go over here, update PCB tool, click on this, and let's click on this update PCB. It has no errors, and let's close. You can see over here these components need to be placed over here, and because this is the component that was not used. So if you click over here and place this component, and now let's for a while just hide the copper zone. And now as you can see, these are our previously drawn tracks which currently we do not need to use them because we are going to replace them with the switch. So let's just delete them, delete this via as well as drill this stack, this little track, and now you can see over here that we have switch placed over here. So let's just click on the resistor, hit D to drag our resistor a little toward this side, click on this toggle switch, and let's move over here. So let's add track by using add route track tool. Click over here and let's add track over here. Similarly, let's connect and connect with this, and now connection is made. We have a little extra wire track we have mistakenly drawn. Let's just delete it. And now let's show field zone. You can see that it will generate error when we will be using DRC. So let's hit B on the keyboard to refill the zone. So you can see that our zone is now refilled. And let's check for the design rule checker if it gives any error or not. Run DRC. It has no error and warning. Let's just close this and let's view our PCB in 3D viewer, how our switch will look like. So you can see this is our footprint for our switch, which we have designed. You can see the bottom view of your PCB. So in this way we design our symbols in symbol editor and use those symbols in the schematic editor, and we design footprints in the footprint editor and use those footprints in the PCB editor of the KiCad.